we will see shared groups, how to create and how to manage them. First of all, we open a drawing which contains not shared groups, as we can see looking at the drawing structure. Let's enlarge an area to focus our attention on the portion of the drawing which contains the entities we want to work on. We start by creating a copy of one group. We select the group and then run the Move Copy command. We find it in the context menu and in the menu bar as well. We reset the origin of the starting point of the copy. We want to move the copy along X, so we set the amount of shift for the new group in the delta X mini dialog. Let's take a look at other options. Then we select one copy and confirm. Now we break this group. It means to go back to its base entities, as we can see by selecting them one by one. We select all again, and we insert a shared group, Insert New Group. We check the Shared checkbox and reset the group origin. We type a new name and confirm with OK. Let's open the drawing structure again. The icon of the shared group is different from the other. Moreover, if we run the Edit Properties command, we see the general category as for all the other entities. And in the group category, we find options related only to the shared group. Now we create a couple of copies of this shared group, so that we have 3 groups with the same name. Let's create 2 copies with delta X, a shift along X of 20. What's the main characteristic of the shared groups? If we change one of them, for example, we set as current the first of these groups and we delete a line inside it, the change will be applied to all of the other shared groups with the same name. We get the same behavior if we insert new entities as well, modifying existing ones. If we set another group as current, and we insert a new line inside it, after we have ended the change with the Reset Current Group command, it is inserted in the other shared groups with the same name as well. We can edit the group by using the Start Local Edit command. The local edit environment is like a drawing with only the entities of the group. We can delete, modify, or insert new entities. When we run the End Local Edit command, we go back to the drawing and the changes are applied to all the groups with the same name. The same thing obviously does not happen if we go to Edit and not share the group. The 3 groups on the left are not shared groups that have the same name. If we modify one of them or insert new entities, this is not applied to the other groups. In the drawing structure, there is a specific tab for shared groups, where there is the group description, one for each name. If we select it, we have the possibility to start the local edit, or we can insert a new occurrence of the shared group. In this case, we can specify angle and scale for the new group positioning. Now we delete the last group. Finally, we can unlink the shared group. Suppose that one of the shared groups does not have more follow the changes that we make on all those with the same name. We select it and we run the unlink command. Therefore, we edit it. The changes are not applied to the other groups, and the new description will appear in the Shared Groups tab. Let's save and close the drawing.